My least favorite thing about making videos is struggling to come up with new video ideas, which surprisingly gave me the idea for this video. Oh, hi. What's up? You know your butt's on the microphone. After getting inspiration from Tom Scott's video where he used the GPT-3 model, I decided to consult a similar model and see if I could generate some banger YouTube video ideas myself, or at least have it guide me in the right direction. But enough explaining, let's generate some ideas. You guys can click the link in the description below and can actually use it for free to a certain extent. Script writing, emails, social media posts, this tool does so many different things for you. So next we'll select the keywords. I've been playing a lot of Fortnite no build mode recently, so let's try that. Fortnite, tips, weapons, locations, secrets. Now there is a 50 character limit, so I'll keep it at that. And now we'll select how many variants we want. We'll do 3 different variants, so it'll give us 3 options to choose from. And then we can select the creativity level. Now this is where it gets very interesting. If you set a higher creativity level, it will try and rewrite things in a more unique way. So let's just start right off the bat with a high creativity level and just see what we can generate from there. All right, let's give it a try. And right off the bat, the first 3 titles we get: Fortnite Season 6 Secret Battle Stars. Let's just imagine that we exchange that for the current chapter and season that Fortnite's on. Even then, it still doesn't make all that much sense in the current meta of the game. The next one says Fortnite Tips and Tricks for Beginners. Now that is like cookie cutter, pretty much as bare bones as you can get. I really don't think that you would need an AI to come up with this sort of YouTube title. I have faith in you that you would be able to figure this one out on your own. The third one that it offers is Fortnite Tips: How to Become a Pro in Only 20 Minutes. So that one is actually pretty good and enticing enough to get people to click, which is the entire premise of trying to generate a good YouTube title. Using clickbait has to walk that fine line between actually delivering on what you promised, but having that promise be so enticing to the person that sees your title that they absolutely have to click on your video. If you really wanted to use a video title like this one and still deliver on the promise, you could just make a video saying, if you go into arena mode for at least 20 minutes a day and practice, you will become a pro player in no time, or at least up to the levels of a pro player. There are ways that you can bend and twist your words that will fit your narrative. Let me think of another topic that we can do ideas on. Let's say cooking. Cooking channels, there's a lot of them on YouTube. Let's select a different tone. You know, I like, for a cooking channel, let's go with critical. I'm kind of curious to see where that takes us. Cooking, recipes, time saving, ingredients, and we got just enough characters left to fit the word sauce. For the creativity level, let's lower it a little bit, right? Let's see what happens if we do low. You'll see exactly how straightforward a lot of these will be. And we hit generate. How to cook a meal in 30 minutes. That's pretty much most articles you could probably find on the internet. On very generic websites. How to make a quick and easy pasta sauce. Or the third one, how to cook a whole chicken in the oven. So you can see how they just get straightforward. So let's move it up to high and see what it gives us instead. 10 quick and easy recipes for entertaining. Now that's a much better YouTube title. How to make the perfect pasta. I'm pretty sure that if we were making a homemade pasta, that would be a good title. But other than that, you just throw the thing in a pot with water until it's boiled for 11 minutes and you're al dente, okay? I don't really think we need a YouTube video for that. We're giving away content tips and cooking tips on this channel, so click subscribe if you haven't already. The last one I gave us said, easy recipe to make the best tender and juicy chicken breasts easy now. I don't want to get demonetized for using some sensual cooking title. I'm not sure if that's walking the line of demonetization or not. All right, let's delete all that. Yeah, Kitty, you want me to delete all that? We'll try another one. All right, let's do cats, okay? For some reason, I got the idea we should look up cats as the next keyword. So let's do that. We can do cats, lifestyle, toys, food, and ideas, I guess. And for the tone, let's select passionate. First one, top 14 cat toys every feline owner should know. That one's not too bad. Kind of BuzzFeedy sounding, if you ask me, but still, it does work in the same context. Top 10 best cat toys. Again, very generic, but people love lists. lists, so you could easily use this style of video and even update it every single year. My cat loves these cool toys. That is the best one of the three. So if you've been able to follow these patterns, you want to make titles less for the algorithm and for robots and more for people. So when you have a YouTube title like this one that's a little bit more personable, you'll tend to get people to click on it a lot more. I'm starting to think that I should put this AI to the test and run its own YouTube channel, have the AI completely decide the niche, the scripts, the YouTube titles, everything. Leave a like down below if you want to see me give that a try and document the process. If only an AI could generate really clickable YouTube thumbnails for us. But as far as automating the process goes, this tool is next level. But if you want to automate how you post your clips to your TikTok or your YouTube Shorts channel, watch this video next, and I promise it will make your life infinitely easier.